How to get my Fidelity account number. Fidelity Investments provides investment management, brokerage services, retirement planning, and wealth management. It helps individuals and institutions grow their wealth through mutual funds, stock trading, financial advisory, and research tools. First, go to Fidelity Bank website and log into your account with username and password. After the login, on the Fidelity dashboard, you can see all your accounts. Click on the account for which you need the account number and routing number. Below is the Manage Direct Deposit link and click on it. On the following page, you have two options. You can try to set up direct deposit automatically, or you can do it yourself. Scroll down and find the green Continue button. Click on the button. On the following page, you can see account number, and below you can find routing number. That's it. Thanks for watching.